आज हम करेंगे मल्टीप्लाइंग अ 3-डिजिट नंबर बाय अ 3-डिजिट नंबर। ये है थोड़े सॉल्व एग्जांपल्स। जैसे हमने सीखा था 3 डिजिट इंटू 2 डिजिट, ये सेम ही तरह है एक्सेप्ट यहाँ पे 3 लेयर्स हैं। हम इन सारे 3 लेयर्स को ऐड करना है। तो फर्स्ट लेयर में होगा ये 3 डिजिट्स इंटू द फर्स्ट वंस प्लेस। सेकेंड लेयर होगा द 3 डिजिट्स इंटू द टेंस प्लेस अलॉन्ग विद 0, एंड देन थर्ड लेयर होगा the 3 digits, which is 4, 6, 7 into 300, which is the hundreds place. So let's start. 432 into 125. तो पहले लेयर में हम करेंगे 432 into 5. So 432 into 5. 5 into 2. अब 5 into 2 10 होता है और हम 1 कैरी ओवर करेंगे and 3 5s are 15, so 15 plus 1 is 16, so 6 and 1 carry over, then 1, so 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21. That's the first layer. Let's do the second layer. The second layer is 432 into 20. So first we'll start by putting a 0. Then we will do 2 into 2, which is equal to 4. Then we will do 3 into 2, which is equal to 6. Then 4 into 2, which is 8. And last 432 into 100. अभी जब भी हम कोई भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100 करते हैं वो सेम नंबर है फॉलोड बाय 2 zeros, मतलब आंसर होगा 43200. अभी हम इन तीनों को ऐड करते हैं। तो वंस प्लेस में है 0 plus 0 plus 0, which is 0. Then we have 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. So 0 here and 1 carry over. Then there is 1 plus 1, which is 2. 2 plus 6, which is 8. And 8 plus 2, which is again 10. So 0, 1 carry over. Then we have 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. And 6 plus 8, 14. So 14. 4 and 1 carry over. So 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So 5 will come in the 10,000s place. Now, so the answer is 432 into 125 is equal to 54,000. Let's do another example. We will do 563 into 412. Now, first layer will be 563 into 2. So let's start. So first will be 2 into 3. 2 into 3 is 6. The next is 6 into 2, which is 12 plus 1 carry over, and 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So we'll write 11 here. Next is 563 into 10. Now 563 into 10 will be 5630. 5630. Next is 563 into 400. So we'll add 2 zeros and then we'll do 563 into 4. So 4 3s are 12. That's why we'll write 2 here and 1 carry over. So 4 6 are 24, and 24 plus 1 is 25. Then we'll have a 2 carry over, and then 5 into 4 is 20, and 20 plus 2 is 22. That's why in 10,000s place 22. Now we'll add all the 3 numbers. So 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. Then we have 2 plus 3 plus 0, which is 5. So first we have 6 in ones place, and then second place is 2 plus 3 plus 0, which is 5. Then 6 plus 1 plus 2. 6 plus 1 is 7, and 7 plus 2 is 9. Then we have 1 plus 5 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 5 is 11. So we'll write 1 over here and 1 carry over. And then 2 plus 1 is 3. Hence here there will be 3. And then 2 plus 0 is 0, hence 2. So the answer is 2,31,956. So now we'll do some more examples from here. The first one is 618 into 215. So first one is 618 into 5. So 8 into 5 is 40, 0. Then 5 plus 1, 5 into 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. Then we have 6 into 5, which is 30. Then next we have 618 into 10. 618 into 10 is 6180. Then next we have 618 into 200. So we'll add 2 zeros and then we'll do 618 into 2. So 8 2s is 16, 1 and 1 carry over. 2 into 1 is 1 plus 1, which is 3, and then last, which is 2 into 6. 2 into 6, which is 12. Now we have to add all of them up. Now the most careful thing to remember, सबसे ज़्यादा careful होना चाहिए हमें जो हम ऐड करते हैं, सारे नंबर्स को एक लाइन में होना चाहिए ताकि हमारे प्लेसेस जो है प्लेस वैल्यूज़ वो मिक्सअप होके एक रॉन्ग आंसर ना दे. इसलिए पहले 0 plus 0 plus 0, which is 0. Then we have 9 plus 8, which is 17. So we'll write 7 over here. And carry over. Then we have 6 plus 1 plus 1, which is 8. So we'll write 8 over here. Then we have 6 plus 3 plus 3, which is 12. So 2 and 1 carry over. And then we have 1, so 2 plus 1, which is 3, which I've written right here, and then 1. So the answer is 1,32,870. Now we will do 304 into 206. So first layer is 304 into 6. Now let's start. So 6 into 4 is 24, 2 carry over. Then 6 into 0 is 0. So we'll write 2 here. Then it is 6 into 3, which is 18. So the first layer is 1,824. The second layer is simply 304 into 0, which is 0. So we'll write 0. Then we'll do the third layer. By moving this up a little bit or simply deleting it, then we can do the second layer, which is 304 into 2. Now 304 into 2 is 608. So now let's add both of them. So 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1. Then we have 2 plus 0 plus 1, which is 3. So let's write 3 right here. Then we have 8 plus 6, which is 14. So 4 and 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2. So the answer is 2,432. Let's move this right here, and that's our answer. So we'll scroll down and do 2 of these sums. The first one which we'll do is 225 into 240. So let's write the sum. into 240. Now the first layer will be 225 into 0, which is simply 0, so we don't have to include that. And then we can do 225 into 4. Now अभी 225 into 4 के लिए first हम करेंगे 5 into 4, which is 20, then 20 and then 2 carry over. 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. So we'll write 0 over here and 1 carry over, and then 4 into 2 is 9. 4 into 2 is 8 plus 1, which is 9. Then we have 225 into 2. Now 225 into 2, we'll start by 5 into 2, which is 10, 1 carry over, 2 2s are 4, plus 1 5, and 2 2s are 4 again. So the answer is 450. Then the final answer when we add both of them will be 1350. So 1350. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 0 is 5, and 9 plus 4 is 13. So this is the final answer. One last sum which we will do is 825 into 251. First we will write the question, which is 825 into 251. So let's start. 825 into 1 is simply 825. Then we have 825 into 5. So that will be 5 into 5, which is 25. 2 carry over. 5 2s are 10 plus 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 2, which is 12. So 2, 1 carry over. 8 into 5, which is 40, and 40 plus 1, 41. So that is our second layer. Then the last one, which is 825 into 2. 5 2s are 10 plus 1. Then we have 2 into 2, which is 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So we write 5 here. Then we have 8 into 2, which is 16. So 16. Now we have to add them up. Let's make them into lines so we will not make any more mistakes. And let's add. So 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry over. 2 plus 2 plus 1, which is 5, and 5 plus 1 is 10. So 0, and again 1 carry over. Then 8 plus 1 plus 1 is 10, and 10 plus 6 is 16. So 6 right here, 1 carry over, and 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6 again. So the answer is 6,600.